afternoon. How are you guys doing? I'm Priyanka, CEO of New Brain. Brain, this 3-pound universe controls every emotion, every memory, every decision we make, and yet it's still a total black box. We've mapped the earth, we've mapped the genome, but the brain, we've barely scratched the surface. Every month, new studies are revealed. For example, until recently, scientists believe neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, was impossible. But they were wrong. Every single day, we are learning more. And no one has been more obsessed with learning about the brain than my co-founder, Ingo. This is his picture from 10 years ago. During his work at Oxford University, Ingo was dedicating his time, energy, and career to understanding how the brain works. He was decoding brain activity into images, turning raw neural signals into something we can actually see, using 7 Tesla fMRI. fMRI is one of the most advanced brain imaging tools in the world. But as you could see, it's huge and costs between $10 to $15 million. Ingo knew this will never scale, and it will never leave the labs. To decode the brain, high-quality, large-scale brain data sets are needed, which can never be scaled with such tech. But recently, something fundamental has changed. On one hand, EEG hardware, the devices that capture brain's electrical activity, have finally become smaller, cheaper, and more accessible, making it possible to finally collect brain data at scale. On the other hand, AI models are finally powerful enough to understand complex, noisy signals like EEG. For the first time in human history, 2 massive shifts are happening at the same time. This has never happened before. But this is not like giving a large amount of brain data to ChatGPT or any large model and brain decoding would happen. Brain signals are messy and high-dimensional. Cracking brain decoding needs right neural architecture, scalable software to collect data, and operational excellence to capture the right data at scale with speed. This is a complex problem and need deep expertise. I'm a computer science engineer. New Brain is my second startup. I sold my first one to a German company. I've built and scaled products to millions of users, protecting human digital identity where trust wasn't optional. What we are building here is not a lab experiment. It's the infrastructure for the next computing interface. My co-founder, Ingo, has a PhD in neuroscience. He was a published researcher at Oxford. After academia, he helped build 3 startups from the ground up as founding machine learning engineer. He knows how to iterate and ship production-grade products at speed. At New Brain, we are decoding thoughts by building foundation models for the brain. We are building the world's largest proprietary data set of brain signals. This data becomes the foundation for the very first brain and word latent space fusion models. Models that can translate raw brain activity into text, images, speech, and mental states. We believe whoever owns the layer that fuses brain and word data would own the next wave of AI. We are developing the AI architecture that unlocks the human mind API, and we provide the infrastructure that works with any off-the-shelf consumer-grade EEG devices. Our first model is called OB1. It translates brain activity or thoughts to images. To train this model, we show participants different images and record their brain activity, or EEG data. We feed this data into our foundation model, which reconstructs the image that the user was looking at. Here's how we collect our data. We invite participants and use a simple consumer-grade EEG headset. We show them images from different categories for 1 second each and capture their brain signals as they see them. This data becomes the training ground for our brain decoding models. And this is what the data let us do. These are the original images that were presented during the data collection stage. 5 weeks ago, this was a reconstruction. from a small amount of EEG data. Week after week, as we increased the data set and refined our model, the performance kept improving. This was 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and this is the last week. With more data, our model is getting sharper, more accurate, and it's improving fast. While some people think that we are crazy, we're about to show you how crazy we are. Ingo, can you please join me on stage? Would you like to see Ingo's brain activity? All right. So this is Ingo's brain activity happening real time. The device that you see he's wearing is the EEG device. It's a consumer-grade EEG device. There are better devices coming in the market which are smaller than what you're seeing over here. Ingo, can you close your eyes? Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. These are alpha waves that are coming out of his brain. These are usually the waves which you see in brain when you are in meditation state. Ingo, can you open your eyes? Can you blink your eyes, please? Can you smile? The spikes that you see are the artifacts in his brain electrical activity, basically. Now let's run the demo. I would explain before I start the demo what we're going to do over here. I will show Ingo images for 1 second. Then this EEG device is capturing his electrical activity. Our software will capture that activity, send it to our model via the API, only his electrical activity. The model will predict what Ingo was looking at. Remember, model is given only the electrical activity of Ingo's brain, not the images. Let's go. This is the reality of brain signals. They're messy, but when they work, it feels like magic. One powerful insight we've learned: when people come and see their own brain decoded for the first time, it means a lot to them. They want to share it, they want to come over and over again. We're able to show them their own brain's outlier. We are enabling brain-computer interfaces, but this is not just about BCIs. In the future, our models will help with sleep disorders, anxiety, ADHD, giving speech to paralyzed patients. There are recreational use cases, personalized education. The sky is the limit. They call us crazy, we call us highly ambitious. If this excites you, please come talk to us. We would love to read your mind. Thank you.